Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gmail tax emails using Google Takeout step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Takeout website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. You will be presented with a list of Google services. Deselect all services to start fresh. Scroll down and look for Mail. Check the box next to Mail to include your Gmail data in the backup. Click on the All Mail Data Included option. In the pop-up, uncheck all folders except those labeled for tax documents. Make sure to include any relevant labels you have created for your tax emails. Click the OK button to save your selection. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Next Step. Choose your preferred file type for the backup, such as .zip or .tgz. Select your preferred delivery method, such as a download link via email. Set up the frequency of the backup. Select Export once for a single backup. Select the file size limit for your export. If your data exceeds this limit, it will be split into multiple files. Click the Create Export button to initiate the backup process. You will receive a notification email when your backup is ready for download. Follow the link in the email to download your Gmail tax emails. Save the backup file to a secure location on your computer. You have now successfully backed up your Gmail tax emails using Google Takeout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.